Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start right away. Solo the problem track and make a duplicate so you can compare. Insert Logic's noise gate on the channel strip because removing low-level hiss is easier before EQ. Set the threshold so the gate closes during silent passages, then adjust the release to avoid choppy cuts. Once done, bypass and re-enable to hear the difference. Make sure to keep the duplicate muted until you confirm settings. This preserves the original and lets you /B quickly. Next, add channel EQ after the gate to target the remaining hiss. EQ affects perceived noise more than raw level. Use a gentle high cut or a high shelf reduction starting around 12 kHz to 18 kHz and sweep a narrow bell if a specific band rings. Once you find the offending band, cut a few decibels. Small moves preserve clarity. Make sure to toggle bypass frequently and listen in context with other tracks so you don't over-attenuate useful high-frequency detail. Finish by adding an expander or logic-friendly denoiser if residual hiss remains. These reduce noise without affecting louder passages. Automate the gate threshold for different sections and use subtle fade-ins or manual clip gain to prevent pumping. Once done, listen on headphones and monitors. If the material sounds muffled, make smaller high-frequency cuts or increase a touch of presence with a shelf. If you hear pumping or artifacts, relax the gate settings and reduce denoiser amount. This restores
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.